To my very best friend on our wedding day. In a few hours, we will become husband and wife and begin our newest journey. I've dreamt of this day since I was a little girl, and here we are. I never imagined that I would be so lucky to find you so soon in life. Being able to marry my very first love is a dream that I never even knew I had or thought was possible.
This afternoon, we gather together in the presence of God to give thanks for the gift of marriage, and then to celebrate with Greg and Stephanie as they embark on the next phase of their journey of life and faith. For God has given us marriage as a holy mystery in which man and woman are joined together and become one. Therefore, let this marriage be held in honor by all.
Dear Stephanie, it'd be easy for me to start this letter by telling you how much I love you. It'd be easy to tell you that this love will continue through the ups and downs. It'd be easy to call you my best friend. You know these things already, but our relationship isn't easy. Sure, there's been easy aspects of our relationship. How well we've gotten along since we were teenagers. How well we've gotten along as adults. How we don't necessarily want to go out on a Friday night, but spend quality time with each other on the couch. Our relationship is different from other people. We've had to start a new relationship, going away to college, figure out who we were and what type of people we would become. We've underwent changes, both good and bad. We had to figure out how to make it work. But I'd be taking too much credit if I kept saying we. You made it work. You refused to give up on us. I'm too lucky to have texted you that May afternoon of 2009. 2 weeks later, when you agreed to date me in the Port Orange 6 movie theaters, you changed for the rest of my life. I can't be more proud, grateful, ecstatic to call you my wife. But most importantly, my best friend forever. Love, Greg.
Steph and I are pretty much the textbook definition of best friends. We've really experienced so much life together. The friendship we share is one of the most purposeful and meaningful relationships. Steph encourages me to be the best version of myself, and I encourage her to shut up and just finish the bottle of wine with me.
I'm Vahid, I'm Greg's best man. I'm extremely honored to be here. I'm really thankful to Greg. I'm really happy to be celebrating this with both of you. I think the reason that Greg and I have been able to be friends for so long, for 7 years, is one, I haven't been able to make new friends, and two, loyalty. Greg is the most loyal guy I've ever met. Through thick and thin, no matter when it is, Greg's there for me.
Stephanie and Greg's relationship is very special to me in many ways, one of them being that I've had the privilege of watching them grow as I've grown. They've been with me through almost every major milestone in my life thus far. Throughout my life, my parents have always been a prime example of a loving and strong relationship. But thanks to Greg and Stephanie, I've been lucky enough to have had two couples be that for me. And I couldn't be happier to have my own sister and her now husband to be one of them.
Stephanie, I promise to be your lover, companion, and friend.
Your partner in parenthood.
Your partner in parenthood.
Your ally in conflict.
Your ally in conflict.
Your greatest fan and your toughest adversary.
Your greatest fan and your toughest adversary.
To dream with you.
To dream with you.
And celebrate with you.
To celebrate with you.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
I promise to walk with you hand in hand.
I promise to walk with you hand in hand.
Wherever our journey leads us.
Wherever our journey leads us.
You are my person.
You are my person.
My love.
My love.
For all the days of my life.
For all the days of my life.
8 years ago to this day, you sent me a text and I watched your name light up on my phone. That same night, my 16-year-old self knew there was something different about you. But I had no idea my whole world was going to change the way that it has. Thank you for loving me with more depth than I can ever comprehend, for supporting me in all that I do. Thank you for wanting what is best for me, loving my family, my friends, and for being the best version of yourself to provide the best life for us. And most importantly, thank you for choosing me every day, choosing me at my worst and choosing me at my best.
Am I allowed to turn it on?
Yeah. You said you wouldn't cry.
kill it. I love it.
You two are such an example of what it means to not only love, but to completely devote yourself to the person you love. You're not only an inspiration to me, but I know to everyone here tonight as well. No two people deserve absolute bliss and happiness more than you do. And I consider myself beyond blessed to witness this love.
I've seen them go through so much together, and I've learned so much from them. She's been there for me and supported me, and I always have and always will be able to go to her for everything. Of all people on this earth, Greg is best fit for my sister, and I couldn't imagine anyone else with her. Greg has been a brother to me not only because of how long he's been around, but because he's just family, and it's as simple as that.
I love you both so much. It's amazing to see two people that I've been friends with my whole life get married and spend their lives together. And everyone will join me in raising their glasses to the bride and groom. Congratulations, guys. Cheers.
I promise to be the best version of myself and to listen to you when I'm not giving it my all. But most importantly, I promise to choose you every day. I'm so overjoyed to begin forever with you and start this next chapter. Can't wait to see you, babe. Love you, Steph.
Hi. Can I turn around? You look great.
Oh my gosh. You look so
You look great.
handsome. Look at your face. Oh my gosh. Greg, I promise to be your lover, companion, and friend,
Your partner in parenthood,
your partner in parenthood,
your ally in conflict,
your ally in conflict,
your greatest fan and toughest adversary.
your greatest fan and toughest adversary,
To dream with you and celebrate
to dream with you and celebrate with you,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health.
I promise to walk with you hand in hand
And I promise to walk with you hand in hand
wherever our journey leads us.
wherever our journey leads us.
You are my person,
You are my person,
my love,
my love,
for all the days of my life.
for all the days of my life.
Of this congregation, Greg and Stephanie have pledged their love for each other. Therefore, I proclaim that they are now husband and wife. Let me introduce to you Mr. Greg and Stephanie Fry.